Made possible by viewers who subscribe. We test, chart, and compare so your wallet wins. Hit subscribe to keep them coming.
So we're checking out the DeLonghi Eletta automatic espresso machine, right? The renewed version, specifically ASINBO 7 Nevada 2L 9TL.
Yep, and going head-to-head with the Zulay Magia fully automatic espresso machine, ASINB0 CSPQ5LZX. This is gonna be interesting. One's a renewed classic, the other's feature-packed. Looks like we're in for some serious coffee action.
Exactly. Let's dive in. Okay, well, the DeLonghi boasts a one-touch LatteCrema system for cappuccinos and lattes. And it's a SAR-renewed machine, so it's been inspected and tested to work like new. Sounds pretty reassuring, especially if you're budget conscious.
The Zulay machine also has a milk foam system, but it claims to offer *20* pre-programmed coffee options. That's a lot. Plus, it's brand new and currently on sale for $799, down from $999. How much does the renewed DeLonghi usually go for?
Good question. When it's asterisk available, it's currently out of stock. It seems to hover around $650, so a significant price difference.
More options is always a plus, right? Especially if you like variety.
True, but the DeLonghi can brew 2 cups simultaneously. That could be a lifesaver in the mornings. Plus, it's a bit smaller at 14.16 deep compared to the Zulay's 18.1 depth. Counter space matters.
The Zulay machine can also brew 2 cups at once, so they're pretty much tied there. But it does have a slightly larger bean container at 8.8 ounces. Important for those who drink a lot of coffee. But get this, the Zulay machine has a 7-inch touchscreen and saves up to 10 personalized profiles. So high-tech. Imagine waking up and just tapping your face to get your Tarker perfect brew.
The DeLonghi seems a bit more traditional with its touch control panel. It also has a silent coffee grinder with 13 adjustable settings. Plus, it uses a 15-bar pump. Does the Zulay have that?
The Zulay also has an adjustable conical burr grinder, so you can really fine-tune your grind. And yes, it boasts a 19-bar Italian pump, which should mean better extraction and richer crema. The Zulay has a larger water tank, coming in at 1,800 milliliters. That means fewer refills.
Okay, but cleanup is a huge factor for me. The DeLonghi has automatic cleaning with descaling and rinsing programs, and the customer reviews rave about how easy it is to clean.
The Zulay machine has an auto-clean feature too, and the drip tray, water tank, and waste bin are dishwasher safe. But the customer reviews are a bit more mixed on the cleaning front.
Sounds like both are pretty easy to maintain, which is great. The DeLonghi comes with a water filter, which is a nice bonus for water quality.
The Zulay has a cup warmer plate, which is a nice touch, especially for keeping your lattes hot. So it really comes down to whether you prefer a simpler, more established brand like DeLonghi and are okay with a renewed machine, or a feature-packed machine like the Zulay with a touchscreen and more customization options. Consider your budget, your counter space, and how much you value those extra features.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.